everyone! Let's attempt to make something delicious today.
Today we'll be making Miso Glazed Aubergines. For the ingredients, you will need 2 aubergines, a few cloves of garlic, 1 onion, around half a teaspoon of ginger and some chilli. For the sauce, you will need 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of soya sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of mirin, 1 tablespoon of sake, half a tablespoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of red miso paste. Heat up some oil and cook the aubergines on both sides for around a minute on medium heat. Add a cup of hot water and cover the aubergines. The water will help soften them. Flip them over after a minute and cover again. The aubergines should be quite soft at this stage. Take off the lid and let any remaining water evaporate. Now moving on to the sauce. Heat up some oil and start stir frying the garlic, ginger, onions and chilli until they're fragrant. Add in the aubergines and on low heat, make sure both sides are coated with all the flavours from the ingredients. After a minute, add in the sauce mixture for the aubergines to absorb. Once the sauce reduces to a glaze, you are ready to serve. Garnish with sesame seeds and spring onions and enjoy. And that's how I make Miso Glazed Aubergines. Thanks for watching!